All people everywhere should have free energy sources. Electric power is everywhere, present in unlimited quantities. You know, Tesla said this over 80 years ago, and finally, we have our moment. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. And on top of that, I have over 10 years of experience as an industrial and environmental inspector, as well as 15 years owning a contracting business specializing in commercial and residential construction. And now I'm happy to share what I've learned with you. I hope this video helps you out, saves you some money, and I'll leave links for all the products in the video description, plus any additional discounts I can get for you. Using the links also helps support my channel, which I do appreciate sincerely. Feel free to leave a question for me in the comments. Don't forget you can also subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, and most important, click the bell icon so that when I make new videos, you know right away and don't end up spending your money on something you regret. Free energy from thin air is actually 100% real. It's not a scam. It's not science fiction. It's not even expensive. It's brand new and super affordable. Within just the past year especially, I've seen prices drop so much, you can now get power from thin air with this setup for over 30 years for what it would cost you to buy breakfast for only 30 days. Even as I say it, it sounds unbelievable, but today I got proof. In these two boxes, I got everything I need to get free energy from the air for about 30 years straight or so. Even after that, it will keep producing energy for many years. You could even pass this down to your children or even your grandchildren. Today's video sponsor, Browey, sent me this generator kit to show you just how affordable and easy it is to get set up. They seem to be built well with attention to detail and look really nice too. Very innovative design. Today I got the S300 power station and the 120 watt foldable solar panel combo. This is everything you need to pull electricity straight from thin air. This portable power station is about 288 watt hours and can offer 300 watts of output power with a surge capacity of 600 watts. The most amazing thing about this, it only weighs 7.5 pounds. You can take this anywhere you go. The electricity is pure sine wave, which makes it safe for all your devices. Combined with a 120 watt solar panel, this power station can be charged up pretty quickly and safely with its built-in BMS that has advanced protections to ensure that this lasts a long time for you. I use these types of small portable power stations on the road all the time for a lot of different reasons. For one thing, at work, they're so useful. Say goodbye to lead cores and loud generators. Power right where you need it. No more dead batteries for my drills, drones, saws, and leaf blowers. They stay charged. And if it's dark and there's no power on a job site, I can bring plenty of extra lighting with me. My efficiency goes up, I save a lot of money, I make more money. For camping, when you're out with your friends, this is a lifesaver too. And you're probably going to be the most popular person at the party because everybody's going to want to charge their phone with this. So it's going to save you money at work and you're going to save the party when you show up with this. For added peace of mind, Browey offers a 5-year warranty on this product. This solar kit is ideal for off-grid, RV, and van builds too. Even though I have some bigger setups, these still get used a lot because they're so convenient. Even inside my home where I have power from the grid, I still find all kinds of reasons to use these to help save time and energy. The 120 watt solar panel from Browey is IP68 waterproof, so it will keep not just water but also dust out for many years to come. It claims an efficiency rate of 28% in ideal conditions using a protective ETFE coating that extends the life of the panel and allows for transmission of 95% of light straight to the panel. This is basically safe for any weather conditions, very portable. The panel includes plenty of adapters, so you can hook this up to pretty much any power station you need. Multiple convenient design features makes it super portable. The panel has a 24-month warranty for added peace of mind. I hope this video helps you out in making your purchases. I'm always excited to share this new tech. Check the links in the description or comments to find these products easily, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget you can easily subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most importantly, click the bell icon and you can be the first to know.